Hi everyone, I'm Lily Hunter, a product manager here at Epson, welcoming you to our booth at Printing United. We are in the MakeON Experience Zone. So what is MakeON? It's a new campaign that we're doing where we're introducing all of our desktop printers that are great for makers, education, retail, and we have dye sublimation, we have UV, we have direct to garment, direct to film, and on top of that, we are inviting people to create their own stuff. So it starts at the iPad with Craft Studio, and we also have another program called One-on-One, but Craft Studio is something from Epson that we're testing out, where you can design something and you can make a lens cloth, a tumbler, t-shirt. We can print out a photo, greeting card, and we are producing things back here. We are little workhorses back here. So we just want people to see from beginning to end.